Hey, good morning. Hi there, Glenn here at the workshop at the gardens. I'm going to be the last one that's going to tell you that I've got it all figured out and everything is exactly where it should be. Yeah, if you caught that video about us milling those nice ash slabs, we almost have them ready to be stacked up, but they are drying, so that was the most important thing, to get that cut. That area in the log yard where the mill was set up, still open, looking good. And now we're just starting to clean a little bit more in that area. If you remember the announcement, the bandsaw, yes, it is still just sitting over there. Let's get that into frame. Right there. That's our Woodmizer bandsaw. I had originally thought about putting the bandsaw in the shop. We can talk about that another time. And after a little bit of deliberation and just actually figuring out that it's going to take me longer to clean out enough room in the shop to put the bandsaw, I decided to put it out here. So the task at hand for this video and getting things ready is the space right behind me. We're going to move all of this stuff and organize it a little bit more. And we have a VersaTube carport cover coming. So it's going to be 18 feet by 30 feet wide, 14 feet tall. So let's just turn around here. I'm going to start right in there and kind of come up and land right there. So we're going to be moving all of this stuff. Found a home for the gas barrels right there. Still have one gas barrel left if you're interested in it. Yeah, by the time I get this video edited and you see it, it will already be gone. Sorry. Pulling in an electrical line down to here, and just my idea of a plug and play. Just get a electric bandsaw and just plug it in and let's go. Kind of. A few more steps, but once this gets set up, it's really going to be quite nice. So quite a bit of moving stuff around today, but we'll get after it. Thanks for joining in the fun and watching along. All right, let's get moving some stuff. Probably won't show up, but a couple turkey vultures flying by. All right, we have made a little bit of progress in cleaning the site up. The two gas barrels that were there are now out in the parking lot. They are being traded for a trailer. That's pretty exciting. So all that we have left to kind of get the space cleaned up is we have another fuel barrel to move, and then it looks like pretty much this whole rack all the way up to that big elm is going to get moved. So we're going to put that out by the other one. The cool thing is, once the sawmill is set up, there won't be as many logs just sitting around because they're all going to get milled. But hey, check it out. Looking really, really good. I just saved you a couple of minutes. Forgot to check the battery on one of the GoPros, so you completely missed the fact that I got the box grader out and graded this all out. So pretty amazing day. A lot of times you start the days out and you're not really sure. You have an idea of what you want to get done, but the reality is, do you ever really get done exactly what you thought you wanted to get done? Not always. Anyways, we did today. Yay. The idea was to get this space cleaned up, and if you remember from the beginning, it's looking much better right there. And you can see we got it all graded up over here now. Yeah, thanks to Liza for bringing Bryce out and helping out today. A good day. We did clean up this space over here. Picked up a few things. And this is a temporary pile of logs. My idea is not to collect logs and leave them sit around forever. My idea is to actually mill them. So this won't stay in the middle of the log yard forever, and all these logs won't be around here forever. But it looks pretty doggone nice, all graded up. And there's the little planer grader that we put on front of the skid loader. I think you saw a little bit earlier, but had that on the little skid loader right there. And got the LT 15 wide right here, electric. A little closer over there on getting all of that stacked up from the last time Ben was out. So all in all, a good day. I think that's it. It's beautiful out, so I think I'm gonna go fly a little bit. Take some pictures for you from above. That's it. Hey, thanks so much for following along. Appreciate that you do that. As usual, really appreciate it when you like the video, give a thumbs up, all that fun stuff, and subscribe to the channel. Really, really appreciate it. That's it for now. Thanks so much. Have a great one. Enjoy.